Doing both the Core Plus Aerospace and the AJAC's apprenticeship program is really important. Everything I've learned here at Core Plus I already know is just going to transfer straight over to the AJAC, and it's going to help me a lot.
The Core Plus Aerospace program and the AJAC Youth Apprenticeship intersect with the ability to combine the hands-on skills needed to be successful in manufacturing, as well as what it's like to work as a part of a team and gain the skills needed to be successful. So some of the main messages that I like to tell parents and interested students in the AJAC program and Core Plus Aerospace is it's an opportunity to get into a career that can help you figure out what you want to do along the way.